I've dreamed of roaming far and wide, but my English was something I couldn't hide. Then I found diaspora languages, it was true. It made my dreams come alive.
Hey everyone, welcome to Diaspora Languages Zaragoza. My name is Emmanuel, and today we are going to take a look at one of the most important and commonly used tenses in English, the present simple. It sounds simple, right? Well, not always. Have you ever heard someone say, she go to school every day, or he don't like coffee? These are super common mistakes, but don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you'll be a present simple pro. So let's dive in. To form a present simple sentence, we follow a simple formula, subject plus verb. The verb stays in its base form, which means we do not change it. However, if the subject is he, she, or it, we add an S to the end of the verb. For example, I play, you play, he plays, she plays, it plays, we play, and they play. This pattern works for almost every verb in English. But, of course, there are some exceptions. While most verbs simply add S for he, she, and it, some verbs have different rules. Verbs ending in O, CH, S, SH, SS we add ES. For example, go changes to goes, catch changes to catches, finish changes to finishes, pass changes to passes, and many more. Verbs ending in consonant plus Y change to IS. For example, study changes to studies, try changes to tries. But be careful. If the Y comes after a vowel, we just add S. So for verbs like play, we maintain the Y and add S so it changes to plays. The same with enjoy, which changes to enjoys. These small changes make a big difference, so make sure to remember them. Now that we know how to form the verbs, let's talk about sentence types. Positive sentences. We just use the subject plus verb plus object. For example, I work in an office. She works in a hospital. Negative sentences. To make a negative sentence, we use do not, don't, or does not, doesn't before the verb. That is, subject plus do or does not plus verb plus subject. For example, she doesn't like coffee. We don't eat fast food. Notice that after doesn't, the verb stays in its base form. We don't say, she doesn't like coffee. Instead, it's she doesn't like coffee. Questions in present simple. To form a question, we start with do or does. That is do or does plus subject plus verb. Do you like pizza? Does she speak English? Now that we know how to form present simple sentences, let's talk about when to use them. 1. We use it for general truths and facts. For example, the sun rises in the east. This is a fact because it will always happen. 2. For habits and routines, we also use the present simple. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock every day. It's a habit of mine and repetitive. I do that every day. 3. For schedules and timetables, we also use the present simple. For example, The train leaves at 8:30 in the morning. This is a scheduled time for this specific train journey, or probably a timetable, which is always like that for this train journey. Now, let's go over some common errors that students make so you don't fall into these traps. 1. Forgetting the S with he, she, and it. Incorrect. She go to school every day. Correct. She goes to school every day. 2. Using do and does incorrectly. Incorrect. She doesn't like tea. Correct. She doesn't like tea. 3. Using present simple when we need present continuous. Incorrect. I watch a movie right now. Correct. I am watching a movie right now. We will learn how to use the present continuous later and the difference between both so you have a better understanding of the sentence. By avoiding these mistakes, your English will sound much more natural. Alright, that's everything you need to know about the present simple. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Follow the link below to do more practice on our private platform. See you next time. Bye for now.
I've dreamed of roaming far